say?
Invited me to a
Hello.
party
Hey.
a couple weeks ago.
Hello.
Random drinking
How are
party.
you?
Amy.
Are you good?
Hello.
Hello. You're on YouTube.
Since we're on the
Oh.
subject of crazy slut muffins,
Oh, you're gonna be on YouTube.
has been quoted.
You pretty bird.
Brandon, what the hell did you post on here?
I did it.
I don't want to click it and make it bigger.
Without any help from anyone.
You're so right. No.
Just click it.
You're a good birdie. You're such a good birdie, Gracie.
Why don't you come stand in the middle?
Because she likes me more than she likes you.
Bullshit.
It's my bird.
My bird.
My bird.
What's that?
I'll fight you for her.
She's laughing because you just said she's your bird and she thinks it's funny. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. See? She agrees with me. Say shut up. Katie, what's your bird saying right now? You're gonna go on YouTube. Hello. Hi, Gracie. Ah. Ooh.
Hello, Gracie.
Who's that pretty bird? Who's that pretty parrot? Hello. Okay, whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. JT.
Ow.
Haha. You just got bit. She bit you.
Come here.
Great.
She just says that's good.
She bit you and said that's good. And now she's laughing.
They shouldn't say nom.
Nom. I don't even know where you're going. What now? Ribbit? Oh! Come on. Hello. Let's go. Oh my God!
You're number one. What happened? I missed it.
I said, let's go. She goes, let's go. Hello. Bitch. She's laughing too. She knows it's funny.
She's having a good time.
Huh?
How do you entertain a bunch of teenagers?
Put a
You're a
parrot on the
Give
couch.
them a parrot. Snow and a parrot.
Shut up.
This is
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
worse.
I've heard you say it before. You know you want to say it. Huh? We're having an intense conversation. Yeah.
No.
Pretty bird. Yeah.
Damn right.
Come here. Oh.
In a black man voice.
Who's Bailey's? Hot chocolate?
Okay. What are you doing?
Come here, Gracie.
You're on YouTube. Say hello.
Much by itself.
Hello, YouTube. That's what you should say right now.
I work at a coffee shop.
What are you doing? You gonna talk? It's gonna follow you. It's gonna follow you. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I never did what? Did
What's
she call,
happening?
you think?
Huh?
Really? Did she text you that or something?
Hi. You're really close to me right now. It's on. We're gonna go. What are you doing right now? Oh.
Reading the camera, currently.
Where are you going?
I thought we were friends.
No, likes me better.
He wants to be back.
She just ran away from JD to come to me.
Great YouTube video. I would subscribe to that. 5-star rating.